I imagine a world where every stitch of clothing you wear not only makes you look good, but also does good for the planet. This is the promise of sustainable fashion. With the fashion industry being one of the major environmental culprits, our wardrobe choices have an enormous impact. By choosing sustainability, we're not just making a fashion statement, we're voicing our commitment to the environment. Building an eco-conscious wardrobe is not only a stylish choice, but also a responsible one. Building an eco-conscious wardrobe doesn't mean giving up style, quite the contrary. It's all about embracing the basic principles of eco-conscious fashion. Let's dive in. Firstly, quality over quantity is key. Invest in high-quality items that last longer and reduce the need for frequent replacements. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also reduces waste. Secondly, timeless pieces are your best friend. They never go out of style and can be mixed and matched in countless ways, making your wardrobe versatile and reducing the urge for constant shopping. Thirdly, go for natural materials. Organic cotton, hemp, and bamboo are sustainable and better for the environment than synthetic fibers. Lastly, support ethical brands. These are the companies that prioritize fair trade, treat their workers well, and are transparent about their production processes. Making these simple changes can greatly reduce your fashion carbon footprint. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to put them into action. Here's a step-by-step guide to building your eco-conscious wardrobe. Start by auditing your current wardrobe. Determine what pieces you need, what you can upcycle, and what you should let go. Remember, the goal isn't to throw everything out, but to make more informed choices moving forward. Next, responsibly dispose of unwanted clothes. Donate them, sell them, or recycle them. There are many organizations that will take your gently used clothing and give them a new life. Now, where to buy sustainable fashion? Look for brands that prioritize ethical manufacturing and use environmentally friendly materials. Research is key here. Don't be fooled by greenwashing. And finally, maintain your clothes to lengthen their lifespan. Learn how to properly care for each type of fabric. Repair small tears and loose buttons instead of discarding the piece. And when washing, consider using eco-friendly detergents and cold water to decrease your environmental impact. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a stylish and eco-conscious wardrobe. Remember, every little change counts in the fight against fast fashion. Keep exploring sustainable fashion, sharing your journey, and inspiring others. So, are you ready to join the sustainable fashion movement? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the reminder bell to stay updated with more tips and tricks on sustainable fashion. Together, we can make a difference.